Hey guys, Fetty McJ here. A little bit different video today. I figured I'd show you guys real quick how to do something I had to look up and kind of had a hard time finding how to do, honestly. I was out riding about a week ago now, and I was on a dirt road, and the rear wheel breaks loose, as it's apt to do on a dirt road, and I got not only the ABS light to turn on, which means the ABS is now deactivated, but I also got a check engine light. That kind of concerned me, and I had no idea how to check the codes, no idea any of that stuff. Bike ran great, not a big deal. Made it home, all good, but I figured I'd save you guys some time and show you how to check the codes on a bike that doesn't have a physical key anymore. It's all proximity stuff now, so let's get into it. So as you can see, 2020 Lowrider S, there is no physical key anymore. There's nothing on the neck, there's nothing down here, right? You just kind of walk up to the bike, flip it on, start it up. So that's all well and good, but how do you check the codes on it? Well, it's actually pretty easy. All you do is, before you actually flip any switches when you walk up to the bike, hold your little selector switch here down. You can see it checks your miles, goes back to the time, and if you turn your ignition switch on, you can see all your dash lights light up there, gauges go through a test, and you're now in diag mode. If you flip this same little selector, ECM N for no, BCM N for no, and Speedo N for no, TAC N for no, and ABS N for no. That's how you can quickly cycle through and check your codes. So in my case, I had an ECM code in here, so I clicked into it. You press and hold to click into it. Checked it out. It was a PO503, something like that. If you press and hold the selector switch again, it'll clear that code. You go back out, you can check ECM no, and then you just go ahead and flip your bike back off, and you're right back where you started. So you turn it back on, normal way, double check, make sure all the lights go off, you're good to go. Yep, you're good. So that's quickly how to check your codes on your bike. Pretty neat, huh? So now that we know how to check the codes on the bike, I would like to know why I got an ECM code when the rear wheel broke loose on a dirt road. I know the ABS is supposed to turn itself off if you kind of do a burnout or whatever. That's how you turn the ABS off. But why did I get a check engine light? And it ended up being a wheel speed sensor. So interesting. Basically, that tells me if you guys are into stunting and doing any sort of burnouts, things like that, slides, wheelies, whatnot, this may not be the bike for you, at least not with the current ABS setup. I don't know, let me know in the comments below. You guys were gotten any check engine lights on your stuff? I don't know. It's just crazy to me that a wheel speed sensor would throw a check engine light, and I don't know. Too much computer stuff these days. I don't know. Anyway, guys, hope that helps somebody out there. And yeah, thanks for stopping by. Have a great day.